Hello, my name is Cedro Ibarra Almaral and I'm going to talk about mastery number 15 and mastery number 16, which contains the topics of if, the conditional if and else. So let's begin. First of all, we need to open the editor, which is Atom. Let's open it. I already did it. So, well, here's a code. We are going to work on this code. As you see, we are going to make a temperature converter from 0. Well, I already write a code before, a program, which is temperature ADB, but what you need is to learn. So let's start step by step. Let's see. Well, as you see, we include the hashtag include IOStream, which is the header file. Remember to use comments. Always use comments. Header file. And using namespace std is part of the header file. In main function, it's the principal function or the main which contains the program. So let's see. As you see, I already declared the variable. I want to print something that it's temperature converter. This is going to be seen in the terminal. Then I have a space between lines. Count Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Oh, I almost forgot. So let's see. Let's number this one and this one. Let's number 2. So let's work. What are we going to do is use these formulas. This is for convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and this is to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we are going to use these formulas and ask the user to choose a conversion, Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then use these formulas and calculate the value. So let's see. We're going to write the conditional. Let's see. If I don't know, it's x equals to 1. Let's copy paste this formula. Let's see. So count again. To Celsius. Okay. We misunderstood. It's the other formula. It's this formula because it's Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay. Count, no problem. Count, give the temperature in Fahrenheit degrees. Remember to use Andrew for going to the next line. The temperature in Fahrenheit degrees. Let's see. So we ask for the value. Sin f, because we are going to work with f. Sin f. Oh, I forgot. Sin f. I forgot to use the common name. Basic function. sorry about that. It's in F, and then we ask for here we ask for the value, so give the temperature in Fahrenheit degrees, we ask for the Fahrenheit degrees, and the system use this formula, and then shows a value in Celsius degrees. So let's print that value. Out the temperature in Celsius degrees equals to space C, or in this case C. Remember to use, if you use a capital letter here in the formula, you need to use a capital letter because you need to write exactly the same name of the value to show the result. So that will be it. So that's if you write if equals to 1, because if you write 1, if the user writes 1, then the program will only make this operation. But what about if the program writes, I don't know, 2, or, well, let's see, let's see, else, let's copy this formula again. This is for, you need to keep in mind that the semicolons are very important, and also the breaks. So keep in mind that you need to use those symbols. Let's see. Else is for, if you don't use 1, then you can use 2, and the program will do the other stuff. Let's see. Count. Give the temperature in Celsius degrees. Okay, remember that I always use this like instruction to make a space between lines. So if you don't want to use that, you can use whatever you want. But it's my way of, it's the way I program, so don't judge. Let's see, C. Oh, so as long as I see we have an error here, what will be it? Well, let's see if it compiles. So let's scout. Scout. Temperature in Fahrenheit degrees equals to no, I forgot. Well, return. I always use return 0 outside the if and else conditionals, because if you write it down in the if or else conditional, the program will break at some point and it's not gonna work. So let's see if it compiles like this. Let's save it. Always we save it as .cpp. So temperature.cpp. So that's it. So let's compile it. Let's compile it. Let's compile it. Let's compile. Let's compile. cd sig drive slash c slash personal slash users slash personal slash documents slash this is the direction of my programming file, so you need to write exactly the direction of where your stuff is. So keep in mind that you always, when you open Segwin, you need to write it down again and again and again. Okay, let's compile it. Temperature. Let's repeat. As I told you, there is an error. We commit a mistake, so we don't declare the variables that we use, so we need to go back and declare them. What are those variables? Let's see. F so as you see, I have like corrected mistakes. So one mistake that I took is like I missed a semicolon here. I didn't declare the variables float C, float F, and well, you know, those are mistakes that everyone can take and everyone can make, and well, it's kind of just keep practicing, and it's a human thing, you know, but you need to keep practicing even more. So let's compile this program. G++ temperature.cpp. So it compiles, so let's run it. Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. What do I want to do? I mean Fahrenheit to Celsius. Give the temperature in Fahrenheit degrees. I mean 100.75. The temperature in Celsius degrees equals 293.75. As you see, I use the type float because it's a floating point. So if you can write decimals or floating points, numbers like 200.75, and the result is going to be a floating point also. So it's a cool type of variable. You have to use it even more. So that's it. So as you see, we use if for conditionals. First we ask for a number, and then if that number is equals to 1, then the program will run with these instructions. What about if we write like another number that it's not 1 or 2? Let's see. xc, oh sorry, xc 3. As you see, else it's there is no condition, so it can be whatever number, or as long as it's not 1. So that's it. That will be for Mastery 1, for Mastery 15 and Mastery 16. So leave a like, leave a comment. This is the new Mastery video. So thank you.